Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Schwab, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Schwab's official website. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login button. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your username and another for your password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, move to the password field and type in your password. Make sure your password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. After filling in both fields, look for the Login button on this page. Click the Login button to submit your credentials. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification prompt. Check your mobile device or email for a verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the login page. Once you enter the verification code, click on the Submit button. After a brief moment, you should be logged into your Schwab account. Explore your account dashboard to access various features and services. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links. These links will guide you through the recovery process. For additional help, consider visiting Schwab's customer support section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.